Image Paodam Tabiri Bokai Punamapo, Reena Naorem Nahan Bamaktada, Taramna Okchari, Loinana, Kurumjari, Asigi, Maruibo Pauda. Climate change, land restoration, and food security Habahiramda, Kananaina Bagi Tauram Pangtokre. Bisgao Manipur Festival 2020, Ngasi Bangladesh ki Chunara Ghat, Habigansta, Hodokre. Loinana. Implementation of Supreme Court guidelines for safe and secure transport facilities of children Habahiramda Waksobama Pangtokre. Mapungoiba Paumu Pizari. Roadshow of National Institute for Developing and Harnessing Innovations NIDHI Accelerator Program on Climate Change, Land Restoration and Food Security Habahiramacida Nomagi Oiba Central Agricultural University CAU Iroisembada Pangtokre. Thoramaduda CAU gi Vice Chancellor Professor M. Premjitna Phongdorakibada Manipur gi Lomi Singh talent yamna leirabasu afaba marumarang amadi ithai lokhong gi khudong chaba mapung fana leitabana khudong chadaba kaya mayoknai lamdam asida phangliba organic ki photok sing amadi tongan tongan ba polam sing reserve tawduna malem sinba thungna thadokpa ngamlabadi Lomi Singh gi semitlon fagadhanba ngamgani haurakliba naha sing lo singubaromda mai onsen hannaba motivation amsong attraction lehenba changi Malengi oina honglagli aingasagi khal ngangnanaba amadi lo singui thabak chakhwal hananaba entrepreneur amadi Lomi Singh punna chaminaba changi amasung agro tourism chakhwatnanaba punna honaminagadabani haiki.
We can improve, we can make double of the farmers' income. On the other hand, then actually why our farmers, ginger grower, turtle grow, they will abandon ginger grow. So that is why my idea is actually this production. It should be combined with processing in the farmer's store in low-cost processing units should be established so that actually we can save their money. That is one issue.
Thoramaduda effect of climate change and food security, land restoration for food security, entrepreneurship developing through processing of fruits and vegetables in the northeast, Haibana Hiram Kayada Akanghai Singna Wanganki. National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Joypur gi meeting makada Manipur Small Farmers Agri Business Consortium amadi KBK Thawal ani na punna sinduna exploring different types of organic input production from residues, packaging and marketing thereof Haibahiramda numit humni chathakadaba Lomi Singh gi oiba training program ama KBK Thawal gi training hall da ngasidagi hodokre. Tawalamati Kalching District ki Lomi Nifuna Saru Yariba training program adu Hodopagi Thoramda, Director of Agriculture Manipur MS Laltanpui Vanchong Manipur Small Farmers Agri Business Consortium ki Project Coordinator MS Khaidem Ani India 1 Cent International Private Limited ki Senior Manager Dr. L. Ibomcha Amadi KBK Thawal ki Head Suoribe Senior Scientist Dr. Jesmarani Sarang Themna Athoiba Mitung Lensing Oina Saruyaki. Athoiba Mitungi Warol Piraduna, Director of Agriculture Manipur MS Laltanpui Banchong Nahai, Manpower Watpa Madi Apik Palofam Karakak Labor Lamdamasina Ate State Singumna Potok Pada, Changdamna Bahaibasi, Wagani Eduga Makoiga Lambato Geharabadi Makoiga, Manada Mohamada, Honaba Haibasi Tangai Fate. Maramasina Lamdamasigi Matangairaba Honabayaba Lambidi Organic Farming da, Mai Onsin Bahaibasini, Eduga Organic Farming Toba Matamda. Chathok Hentaba Yai Adumoinama Organiki Potok Oibana Sentokti Hena Lehen Bangamgani Amadi Piglavalamda Masiki Lebag Lehausu Aduma Kanduna Lebangamgani Haiki.
And so the only way we're to compete in terms of production we had a Sungam Hamroy because more than Suyami, workforce Suyami, land Suyan Chaure. I don't know how we can differentiate for no distance state. The one way of going is going organic, being different from them. Moi puthok the bapor puthokpa, moi the tongan bapor puthokpa, and moreover, I may have a organic board have seen that organic the Gidipa Mansuhena you get a better price. Of course, yes, production may be lesser, but you still get a better price.
MSFAC की प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर MS काइडेमना मणिपुरदा ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग की वखलोन असि करमना पुसिलखिबगे अमदी मसिना कया यामना कानाबगे हाइबगी मतंगदा लौमिसिंगदा पाउदम लदुना चथरगलिबा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम असि की कानाबा अदु चपचाना लौमिसिंगना लहुननबा होनसि हाइकी
organic inputs later we cannot do organic farming. Organic inputs ninti jana marang kaina puthoba kanda da organic farming to ba yadurin. Mayam like adu bring kitchen system spend haidani. Adu ba mayam sing application mayam asi apply to heraga organic inputs puthoe heraga isagi low da hapa da kana market koina compost koina wolaga su packaging koina brahmi compost wolaga su any form of inputs wolaga paisa ta ba su yare low le to mina su le mina su Sidegi input signaragadi har level the chang da paisa su saving oyori aduna pot ama si mahan da ba yare
Bangladesh की चुनाराघाट हबीगंजता ngasi Bisgau Manipuri Festival 2020 ngasi hodokre aduga festival asigi matangda Bisgau Manipuri Festival Celebration Council of Advisor amadi saknairaba iba amadi aiba masoiriba AK seramna haikibada festival asina Bisgau asibu nauna mikap thokan badana tana chakotpabu purakpada mateng oirgani aduga festival asi pangthokpagi pandamdi Bisgau da leiriba mitei singi Kul khara asigi mitei singi maragasida anoba yaho ama purakpa haibasni ngasi hodopagi thoramaduda saruyakiba social and cultural activists amaso eriba patriotic writers forum Manipur ge secretary Rakesh Naorem na haikibada Bisgau Manipuri Festival 2020 asna Bangladesh ta khundariba mitei ichilinau sing amadi Manipur da khundariba mitei ichilinau sing gi marakta nungsinaba purakpa amadi apunbagi saktam ngakpada Chawna thaudang logani thazai hairaduna ikhoi mitei ama oina ikhoigi lol saktam chanak lonchat ngakna ba honabada atopa furuki mamangda ikainingai oide aduga ngakna ba honabiyu hainasu appeal tawki masigi ahanba oina pangtholiba festival adu hodopagi thoramda Manipur Assembly Secretariat ki translator Tongbram Amarjit aduga Bangladesh Ningtam Langi Lanmi Manmohan Singh aduga NRB Bank Private Limited Skylight ki Supo Regional Head Prasan Kumar amadi Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur gi Secretary Rakesh Naorem na khanaba mithunglen sing oina saruyaki masigi thoramadu da miyam gi oiba peace rally ama chatpaga loina na Gazipur High School and College da khiliba side minor da haikalekat sutamki aduga thoram gi sarwama oina tongan ba hiram singh da mai paklaba Bisgau gi miyoi tarukta khudol potpi dunai kai khomna basu utki
Festival gi maru pandamdi Bisgau da lei bamiti khun khara sida apoi tar bamiti mayam si manungda tongan ba anuba ya ho ma pura kwasini aduna na haron jina festival sida ahan bona sinmani asina apoi manungda anuba ya ho pura kani nau Bisgau da pura kani abiya sada sinma
Hujing Manipur Samaj asida nishana piba chaiking haiba hiramda nomagi oiba miyambu bhab tahannaba thoram amangasi athokpam mera paibi apunba loop all athokpam clubs amadi organizations sing sinduna Thawal athokpam awang lekai da leiba DLCYC hall da pangthokre All Manipur Women Social Reformation and Development Samaj Nupi Samaj amadi Gadagi Midyang Makada pangthokiba awareness ki thoramaduda Superintendent of Police Thawal Dr. S. Ibomcha Nupi Samaj ki President TH Ramani amadi Gadagi President Hijam Priyo Kumar Sarwyaduna Nishana Lamdam asida pirakliba chaithing gi matang amadi nupi oibisingna nisa gi mayokta changsen baya bahiram kaya gi maramda miyamga baptaminaki Implementation of Supreme Court guidelines for safe and secure transport facilities for children haiba topic da nomagi oiba workshop amangasi lamyan basanglen palace compound da pangthokre Masigi thoram aduda Sumati Bala Ningthaujam Chairperson Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Clay Khongchai IPS IGP John 1 Manipur amadi T Ranjit Singh IAS Commissioner Department of School Education Government of Manipur na mathang sina thoiba akhanaba mithunglen amadi thorama poina sarwyaki masigi thoram asigi matangda Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ke Chairperson Sumati Bala Ningthaujam na phongdokibada Supreme Court ki guidelines sing ase ningthina implement tawnana ba Manipur da leiriba law enforcement agency concerned stakeholder khudingmak punna kusamnaduna thabak tawminaba ma changi masi ngasidagi hauraga aikoi khudingmakna niyom sing ase illasi haina phongdoki Ngasigi workshop atuki technical session da guidelines of Supreme Court on safe and secure transportation for children in schools ki matang da Yengkhom Somarjit Singh MJA Senior Judge Civil Division Imphal East Government of Manipur Safety and Security of Children in Schools ki matang da Paresh Saha STE NE Cell and Education Division NCPCR present status of transportation of school children in the state of Manipur ki matang da BK Sharma Joint Director, Department of Transport, Government of Manipur, Amadi School Safety of Children and Role of Commission gi matangda RK Sumitra Devi, Member MCPCR na sugaina wangangki.
Police Department na section thorang lawson biba adagi leiba khoi any concerned authorities sing any khoi stakeholders sing masiga mari lenari ba khuding magna school drivers sing sina tawriba adagi school gi authorities sing sina हम थोक्तबा मयाम अमा तौरिबसे अखोई पुन्ना यामना फजना ngasi gi numit asidagi hauna yengsin minabagi dumba khudung chabagi dumba guide Supreme Court ki guideline asigi dumba lesson asi fazana khangdok minaraga yamna mawong taba Manipur da su dumba implement taunabagi phiba mama khoi seminar
English ngani taraga Nepal gi Jun Gitang Marida Myanmar gi Kalem Yogi Tahan City da che chang amata yaudana gari macha bike thorambadagi Myanmar Army na check tobada thengnabadagi faduna Myanmar gi jail da leiruraba India macha Mr. Robert Latsia Kyama Mijo Chaikun Ngamari Apokpa Biak Chongna Chuchanpur district ki Ngangchan village dagi mioy asi jail gi matam loibadagi ngasi Myanmar na India da khusinarakre ngasi Indo Myanmar Friendship Bridge maya da leiba Myanmar gi immigration office da pangthokiba khusinabagi thauramda India gi maikai dagi more gi immigration officer OC CH Nabakumar amadi more police ka aduga Myanmar gi oina Myanmar gi immigration officer Ong Kyo Soy anina khujek pinaduna mioy du India da khusinaraki Jiribamgi Deputy Commissioner DC Oirambadagi posting Chakragadaba Rajkumar Mayang Lambam IAS po farewell pibagi thawrama mangase Friendly Environment Warriors FIO amadi War on Drugs Association Wada Jiribam da Sinduna Pangthokre aduga PWD Guest House Jiribam da Pangthokhiba thawrama da DC Rajkumar Mayang Lambam Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited ke Vice Chairman K Sarat Kumar FIO Jiribam gi President K Puna Singh Jiribam Municipal Council gi Chairperson S Santi asina chingba kyana da stafam ke thoromadu da FIO Jiribam War on Drugs Association amadi Jiri College Teachers Association na Rajkumar Mayang Lambam da khudolpot tamki All Manipur Football Association Amphana Classic Group of Hotels ke Pawargaloinana Sinduna Sri RK Joychandra Manipur Youth League 2020 Football Tournament under 13, 15 and 28 pangtholagani wafam asing asi Chingmairongi Classic Grand Leader pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Manipur Youth League ki Patron in Chief Oiriba Sagolban AC MLA RK Imona Phongdokhibani mana hai league asi Lamdam masidagi afaba naha oiriba sanaroi sing puthokna pandamda pangthokadabani haiki ngasigi paumigi mifam aduda Classic Group of Hotels ki Director Nauba Thangjam Amfa gi General Secretary Jyoti Roy Classic Group of Hotels ki General Manager S Sachidananda H-Tex Sports ki Managing Director Thangjam Premananda atai Amfa gi Executive Council Member Singsu Sarya ke
masi naha singe matang simba ya ri ka jo consider asman aduna ai han RK Jyoti Singh Manungi Manipur Chief Minister Ahamba Union Minister Sports Ajaram Adamasi Sports to Sani Panjam the already cricket to RK Jyoti trophy ma handi sanana leini matam khale pure usi mo khobo in the list masi football su no tan mari maminda in su katunba adna masi leisiga ko yawmin la kusamina da mai to ya kada no consider ai position da
Total number of matches will be played 177 matches. Number of games played by each team will be 14, that is per category of age. And total number of participating players will be 600 players. So this gives us an idea of how and what it is going to do to the future of Manipur football.
Chothe Baptist Churches Association CHBC AG Youth Department na sinduna Numit Marini Chathagadaba Chote Baptist Churches Association gi First Gospel Youth Olympic 2020 ngarangdagi Chandel District ki manung chana leiba Chandon Pokpi Phaipai Baptist Church da hodokre. Run to win the prize of award call haiba chimda pangthokleba First Gospel Youth Olympic ki ngasi ki thoramda Autonomous District Council Chandel gi member T.H. Hobson Chothena athoiba mitung Chothe Lim Abom Manipur Chothe Tribe Union Manipur ki President T.H. Mingting Chothena akhanaba mitung oiki ngasi gi thoramda CHBCA gi Executive Secretary Naorem Khiangna Thoramadugi Ningsing Nung Maikum Hangdoki. Jawaharlal Nehru University JNU gi Professor Ahumna January gi mangada campus da thokiba hingsa gi thaudo adugi matangda petition ahum file tawkre. Professor Amit Parame Swaran Sukla Sawant Amade Atul Sutna Delhi Police Commissioner amasong Delhi Government da darkar oiba direction pinanaba petition sing aduda palle. Thaudo aduga mari leinana complaint thangalakhiba masing taraga mari sure aduga nomaijing numita maikhum upa mioi kharana hostel ahumda changlaklaga yochai amadi chaitupna mahiroi kyabu pudalam khibani aduga WhatsApp ta thagalakliba Unity Against Left amasong Friends of RSS hairiba aduga mari leinaba data puthoknanaba Professor Singh aduna haiki hojik fawada mioi amata su faba leitri JNU Students Union ge Chief His Ghost ki Mayokta case ani file tawkre duga Ghost masamakti sopadagi AIMS ta kanna layengli hairi. Punjab ki Chief Minister Amrinder Singh gi yum gi mamangda Aam Aadmi Party AAP gi worker lising kayana electricity rate tangkhalakpagi mayokta protest tawkre duga police na ising kapsindana protesters sing bo tangkhaina batawki duga protesters sing adu AAP gi luchingba Bhagwan Manna luchingki aduga Punjab Electricity Board na power price Chamada Ani Dasmik Amamari Haukiba Chahi Meda Hengalaki Adumoinama Punjab State Power Corporation Limited Nadi Chamada Nepal Dagina Taramari Fawada Hengatnaba Haiki. Kazakhstan da Mamang Thada Plan Amakaiduna Mio Taraganito Sikibado Unmatum Mamana Tohanba Weramba Yai Haina State Commission Amana Haiki. Back yeargi plan ado December Kuntareta Almaty Dagi Paikalaki Bagi Matunda Minute Kara Lairaga Mathon Ani Wangba Dalanama the Yashinduna Machet Ani Thona Kaikibani Aduga Kazakhstan gi Deputy Prime Minister Roman Skyler na Haikibada plan adugi Masagi Unlokhide Aduga aircraft ki commander na anti-icing fleet na stabilizer adu khakta da lokhoki plan adu kaibada matamda punna mioi chamarom tonglamki aduga mioi kungamathoi di hojik so makhata na layingli hairi aroibada maroi pau umhonna pijari. Climate change, land restoration and food security haiba hiramda khanainabagi thauram pangthokre. Bisgao Manipur Festival 2020 ngasi Bangladesh ki Chunara Ghat Habibganj ta hodokre. Loinana implementation of Supreme Court guidelines for safe and secure transport facilities of children haiba hiramda workshop pangthokre. Ngasi damakta MS Paodam loisinjari miyambo mohanna khurumjari.